Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to include PayPal fees in an invoice. If you want to reflect a PayPal fee directly on an invoice, the good news is that the process is very quick and easy. This can be helpful when you want your invoice to show the full amount clearly, especially if you're sending invoices for freelance work, services, online orders, consulting, or any kind of business payment. You can do it right inside the invoice by editing the amount section and adding the fee as a separate line. This is useful if you want the total to clearly show that an additional charge has been included, and it helps keep the invoice easy to understand for both you and your customer. Instead of changing the main service or product price, adding the fee separately makes the invoice more transparent because the customer can see exactly what the extra charge is for. To begin, open the PayPal invoice that you want to include fees for and switch it into edit mode. This is the part where you make changes to the invoice details before sending it or updating it. If the invoice has already been created as a draft, you can edit it before sending. If you're creating a new invoice, you can add the fee while setting up the invoice details. Take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct invoice, especially if you manage several at once, because you'll be adjusting the final amount. This is important if you send invoices to multiple clients or have similar invoice titles, because a small mistake could change the wrong total or confuse your records later. Once you're in edit mode, look for the subtotal area. Under that section, you should see an option labeled Add for Other Amounts. This is the area that lets you include extra charges on top of the existing items already listed in the invoice. You can use this section for things like service fees, handling charges, additional costs, or any other amount that needs to be shown separately from the main invoice items. It's a helpful feature because it allows you to keep the fee separate rather than blending it into the product or service price, which makes the invoice more transparent. For example, if your main service is listed as one amount and the PayPal fee is listed underneath, the customer can understand why the final total is higher than the original service price. Click Add under Other Amounts. Then, enter a name for the charge. In this case, you can label it PayPal fee. After that, type in the amount you want to add. You can keep the label simple, but make sure it is clear enough so the customer knows what the charge is for when they review the invoice. Make sure the number is correct before moving on, since this amount will be included in the invoice total. If needed, double-check your calculation first, so the final total matches what you intend to charge. PayPal fees can depend on the type of transaction, location, and payment method, so it's a good idea to calculate the fee carefully before adding it to the invoice. After you enter the fee name and amount, that's it. The invoice will now include the PayPal fee as an additional amount. This means the fee will be shown separately and included in the final total that the customer sees before making the payment. At this point, you can review the updated total and make sure everything looks the way you want. It's always a good idea to read through the invoice one last time, so the charges are clear and properly labeled. Also check the customer details, item descriptions, due date, and any notes on the invoice before sending it. And that's all there is to it. By editing the invoice, using the Add option under Subtotal, and entering the fee as another amount, you can quickly include PayPal fees in a simple and organized way. This is a useful method if you want your payment details to stay clear, your records to stay organized, and your customer to understand exactly what they are paying for. This keeps your invoice clear, accurate, and easy to understand. It also helps avoid confusion later because the fee is shown as its own line instead of being hidden inside the main price.